Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll fly with Garuda Indonesia with flight number GA291. Today's flight will be going to Jakarta. But before flying, don't forget to check into the airport. And here there's a stand to check your cabin baggage mass. In today's flight, I'll be using the economy class. Here's my boarding pass looks like. Now, let's get into the waiting room. Abdurrahman Saleh Airport has two buildings. One is for departure and one is for arrival. In this airport, you can actually see some cafe, shops, and even a playground in the waiting room. In front of me right now is a Batik Air Airbus A320 that departs to Halim Perdana Kusuma Airport as ID 7580. But of course, this is not the plane that I'll ride today. The flight is Garuda GA291 to Jakarta. In the same time, I found a glider plane that fly around the airport and a helicopter. And finally, at 9:50 West Indonesia time, my plane has arrived in Malang from Jakarta, which arrived faster than scheduled. My today's flight will be using the plane that has the registration of Papa Kilo Golf Foxtrot Hotel. It's a Boeing 737-800 made by Boeing in September 2010, which almost 14 years old right now. This plane is made from Renton, USA, and using a ferry flight from Boeing Field to Honolulu, Marshall Island, Biak Island, and finally Jakarta. And now is parking here in Malang. And now let's board the airplane.
Data G291 itu sudah data saya.
Dan mainan kontrol jarak jauh tidak diperkenankan selama berada di tempat.
Jakarta. Penerbangan ke Jakarta akan ditempuh dalam waktu 1 jam dan 14 menit. Terima kasih dan selamat.
Datang di penerbangan Garuda Indonesia. Sesuai dengan peraturan keselamatan penerbangan sipil, sebelum lepas landas, kami akan menyampaikan jika masker oksigen jatuh dari kompartemen atas, tarik masker ke arah Anda untuk mengalirkan oksigen, lalu pasang menutupi hidung dan mulut. Tarik tali elastis di kanan dan kiri untuk mengencangkan dan bernafaslah dengan normal. Pasang masker Anda terlebih dahulu sebelum membantu yang lain. Keamanan, Anda dapat menikmati fasilitas in-flight connectivity di beberapa tipe pesawat kami. Penerbangan ini bebas asap rokok, dilarang untuk merokok selama Anda berada di dalam pesawat. Sesuai dengan peraturan keselamatan penerbangan, merusak atau menyebabkan belakang, dilengkapi alat peluncur yang dapat digunakan dalam keadaan darurat. Perahu karet berada di kompartemen atas bagian depan dan tengah pesawat. Jika diperlukan saat evakuasi, ikuti petunjuk dari awak kabin. Saat pendaratan darurat, jangan panik, tiup peluit ini. Bacalah kartu petunjuk keselamatan yang ada di depan atau di samping kursi Anda dengan teliti. Terima kasih atas perhatian Anda. Selamat menikmati penerbangan Anda bersama Garuda Indonesia.
Recommended takeoff position.
that it still uses the fresh aero style from the 2010s. There are also many entertainment as movie and other. And finally, I was ended up to watch the Tom and Jerry the whole flight. The first thing that I found and want to review is this headphone. This headphone functions as the sound from the in-flight entertainment system. The second is the air sickness bag, just in case. The third is the safety card, which is important because it has a guidance for the emergency. I don't know if they already changed this since 2019. The fourth is the Garuda Indonesia Colors magazine. In this magazine, you can see many things such as advertisement and others. It also promotes a travel destination. And the fifth but not the least is the Garuda Shop magazine. This is just like a shop. You can buy things and order for your next flight. Next is the food. Garuda Indonesia offers a hot meal for your flight. And in today's flight, I get a Coca-Cola, chicken with rice, mixed nut, and also a croffle for this flight. Next is the flight map. The flight map in this airline actually has many information that you can see for your flight, such as the distance to the destination, the air temperature, and of course the map where are you right now.
Bapak dan Ibu yang terhormat, kita telah mendarat di Bandar Udara Internasional Soekarno-Hatta, Jakarta di Tangerang, Banten. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Soekarno-Hatta International Airport, Jakarta in Tangerang, Banten. Welcome to Jakarta. Please remain seated until we have reached our final parking position. Thank you for flying Garuda Indonesia, member of SkyTeam.
After this flight, I actually must to stay in Soekarno-Hatta International Airport to change my plane. Well, my next flight is also using Garuda Indonesia, flight GA176 to Pekanbaru. That will be paused soon in episode 2. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.